everybody, Tom here. We are headed out today to St. John, Washington. This is the home of the sprint boat races that they hold twice every summer. This is a race that's held in a farmer's field that he has carved out a course, and boat drivers come with their sprint boats and they drive through this course. It's a course with 32 turns. They drive through it for time. What's a sprint boat, you ask? Well, it's a boat that's about 10 to 11 feet long, usually made of aluminum with a jet on the back. There's a driver and a navigator in it, and they have to memorize a course that has 32 turns in it about 18 hours before the race begins. The courses are always different every race. In addition to that, this is a huge turnout for RVs and a lot of camping and barbecuing and partying and music, and so this is always quite the event, and I haven't been in a couple years, so I needed to get back to this. So we're off and running. All right. We got set up here at the boat races. Now we're camping and now we're playing, and there's lots of people here. Well, here we are. This is the view we're going to have in about a day and a half. Now you can see the course. It's land that's carved out and filled with water. The boats start over here and they take off, and they have 32 turns they have to go through. They have to memorize it, and they finish over kind of in that area. They race against the clock and they're by themselves. So it's Thursday afternoon. By Saturday morning, this area will be filled with tents or canopies, and this will be the VIP section. Everybody down below, they'll set up with their chairs, lawn chairs, and watch the race. And over in this area, there's a bar. All the profits, I think, go to the school or the Lions Club. So this is going to be fun. This is going to be entertaining this year. Now, this isn't anywhere close to the amount of RVs that will be here, but you can see they're piling in. You can see all the farmland behind them. And the party's starting, the music's going, the alcohol's flowing, barbecues are fired up, and everybody's flying their specific flag. Over here, this is where the drivers stay. They have their boats and their RVs. And they can come in real quick and launch right here and then run the course. Over there at the white covered canopies, I think that's going to be a beer garden area. Well, they're setting the venue up here. You see they have chairs up there, and you got boats that are out here testing, it looks like. Got their engines running, seeing if those are running correctly. We'll get a closer view of it. Start seeing the shelters being put up, the canopies. So here's a view of the VIP area. That's the bar up there. I'm not sure where I'll be sitting, but I'll find it here in a bit.
They take them a little bit to get kind of a hang about how this crap handles, but it is fast. Jesse was the youngest driver on the course. He started driving, I think it was 8. Took some time off to get married, start a family. Dad, we'll see in the morning class as well. So 2:85 on a 5-minute clock, and we are 21. More underclass boats. Nice to see Larry back in the driver's seat, out for a while after dealing with some back surgery. Nice to see him out here once again behind the wheel. Had a clean run.
It is.
Down.
Here's the nicest looking boat at the races, I
You can tell this boat's fast. So, kind of noticeable he's new the way that he's sort of hooking his corners, which you don't have a lot of experience. You get it by seat time, and you figure they're out here 5 times in the 40-second run. You don't really get a whole lot of seat time during race weekend. So, he's still learning the boat the way it goes. Wow, clean run.
Nice. That is a good looking boat.
By the way, happy 54th anniversary of Rick and Roberta Willis. 54 years. Our live stream again on Facebook and YouTube. Just look for webb'sslough on either of those two social media mixes. And we'll watch live stream today's race. And of course, when it's all over, the full race will start.
You're right.
Right there. Oh, he runs the flag. He drops the flag. And
Look at of G-force on that. Nice. And here's the view from inside the beer garden. I was up there earlier in those blue tents. I'm going to give you one of the races down here. Well, the boat races are over. It's Sunday morning, and all of this gets torn down until next year. Everybody's still asleep and possibly pretty hungover. This is the view of the camp from here. You get a lot of flags being flown. Here's an example of a fire lane between all the RVs. And we had representation from Canada here as well. They're very nice people. So now it's time to pack up the Black Rock and head back home. It'll be a quick tear down and I'm out of here. It's Sunday morning and we are leaving our races. Everybody's still asleep and I probably woke a lot of people up with my loud motor. Well, this was a glimpse of the boat races. I hope you at least got an idea of what they do here and what it's like, how fast they go, and just the sheer turnout that shows up for this in just a small town of St. John, Washington. I don't know if it's even just a couple of thousand people, if that. But the city comes alive, the town comes alive here twice a summer. Yeah, because it's twice a summer they hold this event, and it's the party. It's quite the party. So, thanks for watching. We'll make another one for you. Take care.